Amazon Prime is awesome. Hi, how you guys doing? So this is the Hamilton Beach juicer, and we got it yesterday, and we already used it. So here's the little booklet, Hamilton Beach. This is the one we got, and it came pretty quickly. We ordered it on Amazon Prime. It came in like 3 days. Unbelievable, right? Yes. So this is the one, and it's absolutely fabulous. It's amazing already. And we only used it once. Here's the box it came in. Okay. So it came with these parts. So you got the container that catches the juice. Nice, cute little container. It catches the juice. You slide it right under the spout where the juice comes out. Isn't that so cool? So anyway, the fruit and vegetables, you put them here. Take that off, and you put them right inside here. Look at that. That's where your fruit and vegetables will go. This thing is amazing. I was so surprised. Like, you have no idea. I mean, we've had, what, four or five juicers already, and when we used this one, it worked like super fast and super good, and it really juiced our fruits and vegetables. Anyway, so this is the container. Let me put this over here in the box. This is the container that dumps the waste, like the skin and everything. Anyway, so there's this little on and off switch. So simple, so simple. So you put your fruit and vegetables in here. Put the fruit, vegetables in here. Put that in there. And take your container that catches the fruit and vegetables. Just set it right up in here. So easy. Oh my goodness. Like, this is the easiest juicer that we've seen so far. So, and then all the waste goes in here. But if I had to rate it, you know, I would give it from 1 to 10. This juicer is a 9. It's almost next to perfect, especially, you know, the quickness, and it works really fast. Like, it's just amazing. The Hamilton Beach juicer. And I'm definitely going to recommend this because out of the other ones, and I don't want to say any names, I don't do the name calling, out of the other ones that I've used so far, this by far actually juices the fruits and vegetables. It works. No clumps, nothing, I swear. So anyway, so right now, and if you do buy this, especially from Amazon or wherever, get the warranty. The warranty is only about $3 or $4, and it's definitely worth it. So it's so easy. Look, put this right under here, just like so. Bam, that's simple. And then put that, fruits and vegetables, boom, there you have it. You have your lunch, dinner, or breakfast. Juice. And eating healthy is important, so I don't know what your New Year's resolution is, but ours is definitely juicing every single day. 2-3 times a day. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Anyway, so I'm going to do an update. And when I do my update video, it'll be in the kitchen. So you can actually watch me go through the whole process in like 10 to 15 minutes. You know, chopping up my vegetables and doing whatever I'm doing. It's going to be worth it. So stay tuned for that video. And I'll probably link it. When I do the video, I'll link it. Okay? But for now, I just wanted to do this quick review. Really, it's like an unboxing review, or whatever you want to call it. But I just want to tell you guys, I recommend getting this product right here. And what I'm going to do, oh, wait a minute. I found it on Amazon for really cheap. I mean, oh my goodness. So I want to hook you guys up. So I'm going to put that link to that seller from Amazon, and I'll put it under the in the description box below. So I'm recommending this, and you don't have to like buy like immediately. I mean, of course, I want you to do your research, but I found for the money and the price, I want you to guess how much I paid for this. It wasn't 50, it wasn't 60, 70, or 80. I paid 40 bucks for this on Amazon. And from this particular seller, that was the cheapest that I found it. And I mean, I've seen it other places for like $10 more, but it's amazing. Oh, I forgot to do one thing. I forgot to show you the other part that came in the box. And the other part is here. It came with this little cleaning sponge. So it comes with a cleaning brush for you to brush and clean your juicer. And it's so easy. Oh my goodness, it's easy. You know, put the hot soap and water and just scrub. Just like that, hot soap and water, and scrub and dry. So this is my brand new juicer, and I'm extremely happy with it. So if you want to clean it, all you got to do is just take it apart. I'm going to turn it sideways. So all you're going to do is lift this up. All you're going to do is lift that up. Lift that up. Just like that. And when you want to use it, put the latches back on and clamp in. So when you want to take it apart to clean it, you're going to lift that up and lift that other clamp up and take it apart to clean it. See? And that's where the fruit and vegetables go in. This is the inside. Let me put this away. Laying these things back in a box. I guess this is a strainer. This is what strains the fruit or in the vegetables. I guess the juice goes through those little holes. Can you see the little holes? I'm not sure if you could see. They're like little teeny microscopic holes. This is a strainer. That's what it is. And there's blades in there. So you take this apart once again. And you wash it, hot soap and water, and this is the inside. It's like a blender, like the inside of a blender. Simple. Clean and simple. This you're going to wash because it's going to have the residue from the fruit and vegetables. And let's put it back together really quick. So now we're going to put it back together. So here's the strainer that strains the fruit and vegetables. You know, the juice pours out of here, I'm assuming. And here's the top. Simple and easy. Just put the top of it back on. Okay. There you go. Easy. And here is the dumpster, the catcher. This catches, like I said, this catches the skin and the big chunks. Okay, that goes there. And don't forget to clamp. Let me turn that side. Don't forget to clamp and hold that down because you have to hold it down so it doesn't make a mess. Push in. There you go. On off. Okay. And don't forget, of course, your little pitcher. You gotta have the pitcher, right? Catch your juice so you can enjoy your dinner, lunch, and breakfast. And there's the thing to, there you go. And this is basically it. I am going to seriously recommend this product because I believe in it and it worked. So simple and easy. I paid what, less than $40 for this, or about 40 and some change, and definitely worth 40 bucks. But this one actually extracts juice. You will have juice. You will have juice. So Happy New Year. Whatever year it is or whenever you're watching. But right now it is 2018. Happy New Year. And make sure you go out and buy this. For the money, you cannot beat this. This is like a steal from this particular seller. Like I said, I've seen it elsewhere for what, $50 and $60. Don't do that. You look around. I look around. I'm a bargain shopper. I love a deal. Healthy eating to you. And the next time I do a review, it will be in the kitchen using this. See ya.